Yo, what's up, everybody? Rashid here, and I got my boy Christian with me, man. We're back with another banger video. Man, this video here, man, we was debating on doing it and everything like that, but we seen so much reaction from this video that we watched about what Anton Daniel said about it's some old fat dude just talking crap for some reason. I don't know why, maybe just because we're young or something like that, but I just felt like the time is now for us to just really address what happened, what he said, and, you know, deal with this situation. So first of all,
let's break down the video.
First thing he said was, he said if you shouldn't move out your mom's house until you're 30, or you shouldn't get married until you're 30.
Yeah.
What kind of sense did that make?
Look, y'all, I'm gonna be honest. If you're taking advice from a man that probably can't even tie his own shoe because he can't even see over his belly, one, that's not a real man.
That's what I'm saying. It doesn't matter. Listen, it doesn't matter how much money somebody got.
Yeah.
Y'all shouldn't be taking it. Look at him. Is that somebody that y'all want to be like?
Yeah. You should stay at your fighting weight. Bro, like, you got to be a protector.
You got to be a protector.
This dude always talks about being a man and all this stuff on his channel.
And then, it's the crazy part about it is I never heard of dude. I never heard of him. Yeah. Apparently, he is a millionaire or whatever he got going on, but I never even heard of him.
Honestly, bro, I'd rather be broke and in shape than be a millionaire and be fat.
That's what I'm saying. It's like I think he's conservative, or he just into politics or all that kind of stuff like that. And that's what people do. He get his money off making reactions and stuff like that. Yeah. But what I don't like is you trying to say that just because we're young, we're uneducated. Mm-hmm. I guarantee you can come where we at. We can have a conversation. I guarantee we know exactly what you're talking about. Ain't nothing that you can tell us that's gonna be different than what we already know. Mm-hmm. Cause we did the research, bro. Like, what you think? Like, y'all act like online we can't search for the same information. Mm-hmm. I hate when people use that age thing as a way to say we're dumb. Yeah. They do that. I don't know why they do that so much.
Yeah, you can have a credit card and not run it up.
That's what I'm saying. That's the whole thing with the video. He was saying, well, y'all shouldn't give young people credit cards because they're going to run it up and they're going to misuse it.
Right. So why should you judge all young people off of some young people that make bad decisions? In the same way, it wouldn't be fair to say old people don't know what they're talking about, like Anton.
That's what I'm saying.
You know, there's plenty of old people out there that know what they're talking about. Anton just makes all the other old people out there look bad.
That's what I'm saying. So like you can't really just say that about young people. Because like I said, just because off of some people making mistakes. Of course, like it's a lot of people in this world. Some people are gonna run up a bag and just do some crazy stuff with their credit. That just is what it is. Mm-hmm. But if you watch our video, we don't even preach that. Mm-hmm. We tell them to actually be smart with the credit that they're getting, like actually have a business plan and stuff going into it. We never told nobody to just run up a bag or just, don't pay nothing back because, bro, you'll end up in handcuffs. Why would we do that? Like, I don't know. I just think Buddy's just stupid. I'm just saying, like,
honestly, bro, like he's just been doing it for a while. Like he's really nothing special.
He's been doing it for a while. He's just old, like I said.
Yeah, but if you think about the benefits of credit cards, you get rewards. Yeah, you get bonuses. Yeah, all these things. So every time you use a debit card to use cash, you're actually losing money.
That's what I'm saying.
Because, for example, if I have a truck, right? Let's say I've got a business truck and I'm using it for real estate. Let's say I got to put $50 worth of gas in there, and then I have the 50 where I can pay off the credit card. And I'm going to get 2% cash back whenever I spend the credit card for gas. I'm losing 2% if I were to use a debit card or cash instead of the cash back. That's a no-brainer, bro. And like, let's go ahead and hop off of the finance thing. Let's talk about this dude talking about you shouldn't get married until you move out until you're 30 or something like that.
Oh, okay.
You shouldn't move out until you're 30.
That's just some bad advice altogether. So why would you stay with your mom until, honestly, the best thing you can do as a young person is go out on your own and
get out there.
Bro, get out there. That's what we always tell y'all in our video. Take risks.
The problem is most of y'all are way too conservative.
Y'all way too conservative, man. Like, you listen to him, that ain't gonna get you rich. Yeah. It's not. You taking risks and getting out here in the, I'm saying how my people said, get out here in the field. If you get out here in the field and actually try some stuff, that's how you can become rich. You don't get rich watching YouTube videos and listening to him talking about, oh, you don't need to use credit, you don't need to do this, you don't need to do that. You're going to be just working your job for the rest of your life.
Credit's a tool.
Credit's a tool. Like, we're not saying, and credit is not supposed to be the end all be all. Like, it's a tool. It's something you can use. Something that the government has gave us for us to get to the next level. So why can't we use it to our advantage? You see what I'm saying? Like, I advise all young people, be smart. Don't just listen to what your mother said, your uncle, like they will tell you. So I've heard it in my own life. People have told me, credit cards are bad. You know what I'm saying, or just you just spend it how you want to. You can pay it. You don't got to pay it on the on the due date. I hear that stuff, but I don't do that because you have to actually do your research. And that's why this whole credit game is basically about how much you know, man. That's all I can tell you. Just from my personal experience, it's a how much you know. You need to actually go actively seek this information. Now, this information is for free on the internet. We teach it. Other people teach it. But the thing is, on YouTube, you got a lot of people that don't know what they're talking about speaking too. So you'll get confused. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. You will get confused. That's what I'm saying. Like, learn for yourself. You can watch people's content all day, man, but make sure you got your own knowledge. Because, I'm looking at these comments, bro. It's just it's a lot of people that agree with this, man, and it's crazy. Yeah. Y'all say y'all
brainwashed.
Y'all brainwashed.
Yeah.
Y'all the type of people y'all gonna be working to y'all, and then when y'all get 60 and stuff, and y'all be like, man, I wish when I was in my 20s I would have took the risk, bro. Y'all gotta take a risk in life, man. He don't know what he's talking about. Of course, he can show us all the stats. He can show us how much money he's spending. I don't care about that, man. At the same time, we're doing well for ourselves.
Yeah,
I'm 22. You're 20. What? 25. We're doing well for ourselves, man. It doesn't really matter what somebody else got to say about a situation or something like that. He's speaking from an OG standpoint. And like I said, I don't take advice from somebody I don't want to be like. I'm just being real with y'all. I'm not going to take it look at him. And I'm going to take the look at us. But at the same time, bro, come on now. Listen to the dude.
Homie's crusty.
Homie's crusty,
well,
man.
Look, how many people probably actually look up to him? People look up to people like, LeBron and, all the, Kendrick and all, you got all these people that are crushed. I mean, Alex Hormozy.
You got all these better options.
Yeah, who is this? Anton,
Crouton, Daniels,
crusty head ass.
Bro, y'all, I'm just telling y'all this, man. Y'all just need to do better. And if y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all subscribe and so like that. Y'all really just need to do better.
Yeah,
because he's not somebody y'all should be looking up to. Like I said, and the thing is, I don't like y'all speaking so negative. And I'm gonna tell y'all this about speaking negatively about people. You shouldn't speak on somebody that you don't know. Mm-hmm. I will say that. And also, if you haven't watched their content, stop judging somebody off of one thing you see. I don't we'll have a conversation about Trump. Yeah, Trump is kind of a little asshole, but at the same time, he does have good points in his other places. So you can't just watch one video and hear somebody bashing somebody. Cause I guarantee if you would have seen the video, he would have never made that. You would have thought it was kind of cool. Mm-hmm. So that's what I'm saying. Y'all can't, before y'all start speaking on stuff, make sure y'all watch the full context. Stop letting somebody just tell you something. Cause man, I can watch, I ain't even trying to bring up politics, but I can watch debates and all that type of stuff and watch commentaries of debates and people saying, oh, well, I believe this and that, and that'll shape your opinion. No, you go watch it for yourself. Watch the original video, and then you formulate your opinion. And then, like I said, just stop listening to somebody that y'all don't want to be like, man. Because who is it? I don't even know this dude. Mm-hmm. I still don't know him. I never have came across him. I seen that I guess he hang with a couple of these black influencers and all that kind of stuff, like Charleston White and all this. I guess I
never even heard of him.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. So we don't be in that internet space like that, man. This is all kind of new, and
it's educational.
It's educational. We're just trying to put stuff out there for you all, man.
I was gonna say a lot of his stuff kind of looks like it's meant to rile people up.
It's meant to rile.
Kind of like he's preaching a lot of hate. And
that's what I'm saying. Yeah, he's trying to rile people
just getting a reaction out of people.
And then, like I said, and I'm also saying this, Anton, Crouton, whatever your name is, you could have easily hit me up. You could have easily had a conversation with me before you decided to make a video about me. I mean, I get the YouTube space. I get that y'all got to react. That's how you make y'all money. But I would have preferred it would have been better as you. You're not a real man, bro. Facts. You could have found my Instagram and sent my description. You could have hit me up and said, hey, man, I think that you're wrong on these levels. Let's have a debate on that. I would have happily signed
I would love to actually have a debate with you. We should live stream a debate. Anton, comment on this. Do whatever you got to do.
Do what you got to do. Get in contact with us. Listen,
preferably leave a comment on this.
Yeah, preferably leave a comment on this. And the door's open. We left the door open. You know what I'm saying? We just had to respond to it.
Yeah.
But we left the door open. So we're still open to doing debate with you. If you want to talk about this or whatever, let's do it. Because listen, man, because it looks like it's just an age gap and it's a misunderstanding.
Yeah.
But like I said, we're just not going to let you just bash me or any of our how we move and stuff like that, because we're not moving wrong, man.
Yeah, we're gonna have a comeback for it. And honestly, I'm very confident that if we do a live stream debate, it's gonna be destruction.
It's gonna be
like I'm a banker.
Yeah.
I'm in the financial industry.
Yeah.
You're probably not. I mean, I don't know your background.
Yeah.
Maybe I don't know.
I don't know.
Chick-fil-A reception. I don't know.
Got rich on Burger King.
Anyways,
we ain't trying to roast.
We can actually have a logical, I'm done with joking around, but
Yeah.
we can have an actual logical live stream. We'll actually, you know what, Rashid?
Yeah.
Let's go ahead and set out the date. Because you know how you can schedule live streams?
Yeah, yeah.
Let's schedule it. We'll give them a couple weeks or
Give
whatever.
them a couple weeks.
And then
we
comment on this.
Yeah, we'll give you a couple weeks,
yeah.
you know what I'm saying? So we need you September.
Yeah.
September,
and then y'all tune in.
Y'all tune in.
And we can have a debate. Should young people have credit cards?
Yep.
Because he doesn't think so until you're 30.
You don't think so until you're 30, man. So listen, Anton and Anton's viewers, y'all send this to him. Y'all let them know. September, we need that debate, man. We can't let it slide.
Yeah, and we'll show our credit. I got a 750. You got a 750.
Yeah, we'll show our credit score.
We've got huge amounts of credit. We only use like $500 worth of our $100,000 in credit. Like, we're building businesses.
Yeah.
We're into real estate.
Yeah.
You name it. We're
doing everything, man. So,
probably more than he was doing when he was our age.
Yeah.
So he's probably just speaking on his young version of himself, to be honest with you. That's what a lot of old heads do.
That's what I'm saying.
So
and it's just crazy. It's crazy that we had to make this video in the first place because he shouldn't even be saying that. Like I said, look how he looking. He shouldn't be saying that anyway. But I'm gonna let y'all get up out of here, man. Y'all send it to Antoine. Tell him, hey, debate September. We need it.
September. Let's get it.
Let's get it.